Go.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Jay's Life 99. Follow my YouTube. Today we're working with Paris. She's working with a company called BLY HAIR, BLYHAIR, and we'll be going over the steps that she's going to use to apply the hair. As you can see, she's showing it off. She got the cap on to put the hair over it. And right now, she looks like she's applying it. And now she's applying. I can't really tell what that. Your Paris. Hold on. Paris. I don't really know what this is.
No, it's okay. It's glue. It's glue. I'm gluing my wig. It's fine. You don't have to be perfect.
Paris applying the glue for the wig. Damn, that look like hella glue. Females gotta do that every time.
Well, not some females.
You already know. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, show some love. I looks like she just patting down the glue, applying some more. Smoothing it all out.
Can you read this?
After applying a 4x4 kinky curl weave thread, she's lining it up, making it look all perfect. It looks like she's just patting it down, giving it a nice little natural look.
We're almost done, okay?
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, you definitely caught me hella off guard.
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Like, I'll be calling my friends off guard, like, bro, I need you for this video.
That's cool. I don't care.
Yeah. Well, it's not always. Just wanted to get this video done.
Now she's just parting it down the center. That weave look nice as hell. Look completely natural.
Go.
Okay, so right now we have her parting in the middle. So, you just want to get that nice, even look in the middle. We just separate it a little bit, so you can see. There you go. And we're gonna get, we're gonna get into the edges right now. Just pull them out. Don't look at my edges, y'all. Don't look at my edges right now. Just lay, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So right now we're coming in out. We got our pieces that we're gonna use for our edges. It looks straight. It looks a little straight to me. I don't know what you guys think. Separating right now. Trying to get the things plucked. Get them very plucked. Make it look a little bit more natural. Yeah, so we're just gonna, keep playing around in this section right here, pluck, because your hairline not that straight, you know what I'm saying? So you pluck it out a little bit here, a little bit of there, you know what I'm saying? We got it looking spanking good, you know what I'm saying? My edges look like they laid already, but I'm gonna pluck some more though. Because I like plucking shit. I love plucking shit. Look at this, pluck. Yeah, let me get some of this out right here. Ooh, y'all can see my cap. Maybe I plucked a little too much. No, not on this side. We're going to pluck a little bit more. Separate it, you know what I mean? So, you're not plucking, making a bald spot, of course. So, you just got to, kind of attack one spot in, different regions, you know what I mean? So, now, we look like we getting there. I like mine a little bit more perfect. Okay, how y'all like that? Like my middle, y'all like how it look? Okay, bang bang boogie. Okay, we're gonna separate this part right here too. And then we're gonna cut it. You know what I mean? We're gonna cut that right there. Got my little handy tool right there. You know what I'm saying? We cut that thing. So now we're gonna work on the edges, y'all. We're gonna work on the edges. Hold on, let me figure out my. Okay, bet. Boom. I'm applying my what's this thing called again, y'all? Shoot. It's like a glue mousse. I don't know if it's mousse. I don't know if it's what it is, but I'm applying whatever you use. You know what I'm saying? I'm applying my thing onto my edges. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start brushing it out. You know what I mean? Start showing you how I want my dimensions to look. So if I like mine's in an arc position, so I'm gonna arc it out. I'm gonna arch my back on my headline.
What?
Let's see. All right, so bet. So we're gonna mess up on the other side a little bit. You know what I mean? We're gonna mess it up a little bit. We're gonna mess it up a little bit. Cut it, because I wanted to get a little bit more perfect. Then we're gonna take the brush with the mousse or whatever you use, your eco gel, and you're gonna apply it to your edges. You know what I'm saying? This is when you start knowing if you're gonna look like a bad bitch or not from the edges. You feel me? Okay. So right now I'm using my hot comb to kind of get my little look that I go for. I call it the Paris special. I kind of take my hot comb and put it towards my hair so it can have like a little bend to it. And then, I'm going to just look sexy or whatever you call it. Okay. Ooh, almost burnt myself. Oh, shit. This motherfucker hot. See how I do that, y'all? I put it right in the middle so the hair be kind of straight a little bit. It give you like a little bit better definition. You know what I mean? Like a little bit better of a middle part. It looks so sexy. This is the fire shit. If you're not doing it like this, you're not doing the fire shit. I'll be right back, y'all. Oh, shit. I'm here. Oh, damn. Yeah, I'm burning it a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be more straight. Guys, don't look at my tattoo. It's a henna. It's a henna. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm separating it a little bit more. I'm trying to, get my whoop-de-whoop in the right position. Get my little swoop. See that right there? Swoop. Do it again. Swoop. There we go. See how that look, y'all? Dang. Okay, so now we're going to apply. It's this thing that kind of helps it last a little longer so it stays in position. You know what I mean? I don't know how it works on sweat, but it kind of, it's like a wax, almost like wax kind of, but not just
how you know this?
Listen, man, I'm telling you what it is, bro. Alright, it's like a wax, for the hair. It keeps the hair down. It kind of keeps it a little bit more perfect. Ladies apply this a lot when they have that straight hair. So, fellas, if you don't know how they have that straight ass hair, or ladies, you don't know how they have that straight ass hair, it's because of this wax right here. This shit is fire, man. You could throw that shit on your edges too. That shit might hold it in place, but you might have a waxy look. But yeah, you see how it's coming together? Look, you know what I mean? Lips all perked, makeup done. My eyebrows got an arch on it. You know what I mean? Right now, I'm just wetting the hair a little bit so it can have a different type of look, like a wet look. Make it sparkle for y'all niggas, like some diamonds. You feel me? Look, feels so good. Looks so good. Look at me, y'all. I'm Paris. I'm in Paris. Fire. Work it. All right, there we go. So this is the final look. It's the final look.